Hello, my name is Rick Harris. I'm Director of Growing Operations at Mann Packing in Salinas, California. Kale is an annual crop. This particular variety is considered a curly leaf kale variety. There are many other type of varieties out there, but we found that the curly kale has the best flavor and tenderness to the leaf. And with the new varieties, we have a new kale blend. It's a kale cabbage blend, and it has cabbage, kale, broccoli stem, shaved Brussels sprouts, and radicchio. It has a very unique flavor and texture. Our season here in Salinas runs March through about the middle of November, and currently we're on pace to finish on time. This year, our weather pattern has been a little warmer than normal, and so that's a good thing for us because we have consistent supply and good quality.